Welcome back to Daily Drives, the place where we explore the most powerful, futuristic, and mind-blowing machines from around the world. If you love next-generation vehicles, legendary rebuilds, and extreme engineering, you're in the right place. Today's concept is something truly unexpected, something that blends old-school heritage with modern futuristic thinking. This is the Fordson Major Tracked Concept, Custom Build 2026. And trust me, you've never seen a tractor like this before. The Fordson Major is a name that carries serious history. Originally built as a tough, reliable agricultural tractor, it was designed to work endlessly on farms, fields, and rough terrain. But in this 2026 tracked concept, that classic workhorse has been completely reimagined. Instead of traditional wheels, this custom build sits on aggressive, full-length tracks, transforming it from a simple tractor into a terrain-conquering machine that looks ready for construction sites. Forests, snowfields, and even futuristic industrial zones, the first thing that grabs attention is its stance. The track system instantly gives it a wider footprint and a much lower ground pressure, allowing it to glide over mud, sand, snow, and rocky surfaces with ease. These heavy-duty rubber-reinforced tracks are inspired by modern military and industrial vehicles, offering extreme grip and stability. Whether it's climbing steep slopes or pulling massive loads, this Fordson Major concept looks unstoppable. The body design perfectly balances retro and modern. The classic Fordson silhouette is still recognizable, but it's been sharpened with angular panels, reinforced edges, and a bold industrial finish. Matte metallic colors, exposed bolts, and rugged detailing give it a brutal yet premium look. LED light bars replace old halogen lamps, improving visibility during night operations, while adding a futuristic glow that makes this machine stand out instantly. Under the hood, the 2026 concept doesn't rely on old mechanical thinking. This custom build is imagined with a modern turbo diesel or hybrid powertrain, delivering massive torque at low RPM. Torque is what matters most for tracked vehicles, and this machine is all about raw pulling power. Advanced cooling systems, reinforced transmission components, and heavy-duty drivetrains ensure it can handle extreme workloads without breaking a sweat. Inside the cabin, the transformation continues. The original utilitarian cockpit has been replaced with a modern operator station. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time data like track tension, torque output, fuel efficiency, and terrain feedback. A multifunction touchscreen controls navigation, work modes, hydraulic systems, and even smart diagnostics. Despite its rugged nature, the cabin is designed for comfort, with suspension seating, noise insulation, and climate control for long working hours. One of the most exciting aspects of this Fordson Major Tracked concept is its versatility. This isn't just a tractor anymore. With modular attachment points, it can be equipped with dozer blades, winches, plows, forestry tools, or heavy trailers. That means it can work as a farm machine, construction vehicle, snow clearer, or off-road hauler all in one platform. In 2026, multi-role machines like this are the future. Safety and control also play a big role in this concept. Advanced traction management systems automatically adjust power distribution between tracks based on terrain conditions. Hill-hold assistance, rollover protection, and smart braking systems make it far safer than older machines. Even on uneven or slippery ground, the track design keeps it planted and predictable. What truly makes this build special is the idea behind it. It's not just about power or looks, it's about honoring a legendary name and pushing it into the future. The Fordson Major Tracked concept shows how classic machines can be reborn using modern engineering, sustainability ideas, and futuristic design language. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always mean starting from scratch. Sometimes it means rebuilding legends in smarter ways. As industries demand tougher, more adaptable machines in 2026 and beyond, concepts like this make perfect sense. They combine durability, technology, and adaptability into one bold package. Whether you're a fan of tractors, tracked vehicles, or extreme custom builds, this Fordson Major concept is impossible to ignore. Before we wrap up, I want to know what you think. Would you like to see this tracked Fordson Major become a real production machine, or should it remain a one-of-a-kind custom concept? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with fellow machine lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more futuristic vehicles, custom builds, and next-level engineering. Until next time, keep your eyes on the future and your passion for machines alive.